Hi students, it's your instructor Emily. Thank you for joining me today and watching my video on how to create a Zoom account for better communication throughout the rest of this course. Because we've transitioned, making this course 100% online for the remaining weeks of the semester, we will need to find ways to better communicate. Zoom is going to be one of those ways. I'll be conducting office hours, so in order for us to ensure communication, I need for each of you to sign up for a Zoom account. So here's how we're going to do that. In your Canvas, go to our modules. And our module for this week is Module 1. So if you click on Modules, or if you go to Pages and click on the Meet Your Instructor page. Right here, my weekly office hours, which we're going to conduct through Zoom in a meeting style, is going to be right here. And then you're going to click this link that says Sign Up for Zoom. In the upper right hand corner, you're going to click right here where it says sign up. It's free. You're going to enter your email address. I want us to go ahead and use our College of Marin email, so it goes specifically to your school account. So go ahead and enter that here and then hit the sign up button. All right, and then you'll go back. If you don't exit out of it like I did, you can go ahead and sign in. So go ahead and sign in with that email address that you used to sign up. Okay, I got my password right. Excellent. And so you can start right here at join a meeting. So if you click on join a meeting, and you're going to need a meeting ID. So if you go back to your Canvas page, that meeting ID is going to be right here. Copy that link, go back to the Zoom page, paste those numbers in there, and hit join. You're going to allow for Zoom to download and run. And it's now connecting to the meeting. So then we can choose join computer audio. And here we are. So we're looking at the screen. When you go to manage participants, once you log in and join the meeting, you yourself will be listed, as well as myself, from 12 to 1 every Wednesday during those office hours. You'll also be able to chat, so you can type and ask me questions. For some reason, your microphone's not working. When you come in to the meeting, be sure to mute unless you have a specific question, because otherwise everyone's going to be hearing what you're talking about. And we'll go from there. So I hope to see all of you at my office hours every Wednesday for the rest of the semester from 12 to 1 p.m. I'm really looking forward to seeing your faces, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.